Yo, what's going on, you guys? I'm Terminal Lance, and today we're going to be talking about Palantir. What happened to Palantir today? This past week, it had a really good run, and then it dropped back down to 25. I know in my last video, I said it was going to skyrocket to 30. You know, my prediction was wrong. I thought it was going to go up to the upside because, it was Christmas. Everybody got their Christmas money. But it turns out that the night before, which was Sunday, Trump actually passed a stimulus package. The way things are played out is like, so the higher the debt, the lower the stock market, right? So which is one of the reasons why it kind of went down. The video that I uploaded was 3 hours before they announced that there was going to be a stimulus package, which I wasn't expecting, but I should have waited. But overall, initially this was going to be because I thought it was going to consolidate in this area, right? Turns out that it was just the resistance, right? So we're going to move this back to the resistance. This is still the support line right here. It's been the support line since I first started in this. So this is my support line. Like, it's really accurate. This resistance / support line is accurate as well, because we have a high, a mid high, and a low high right here, right? So we're gonna hide this, right? We have that there. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna keep it basic. This has always been the support line since this is my support line based off of this candlestick right here. Resistance off this candlestick. It's been pretty accurate so far, right? Now, the next, I don't think this is gonna hit anything lower than 25.60, right? If anything, it's just probably going to hit maybe 25.30. Who knows? 25.30 might be the lowest it goes. But if you look at it, it did touch it did touch the 25.40. It touched it. Now tomorrow, we'll probably see a tomorrow we'll see a consolidation, right? We'll see. So tomorrow we'll see an upside for this area. Just to fill in this gap right here. So we'll see we'll see this pattern right here. Watch. So we'll do, so after this it went down, right? So we'll go down here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Okay, we're gonna mimic this. We're gonna mimic this, but it's going to be, I want to move this. We're gonna mimic this pattern, but it's gonna take a little bit longer to hit that. We're gonna mimic the pattern again because this is literally what we saw at the mid high, and this is a low high right here, right? The little indent right here, it goes up. The little indent, it went up. The little indent went up again. So this is my speculation for this remaining of the week. So at the end of the week, this is what it should be looking like. My last speculation was just because of, everybody got Christmas money. Stock IPO'd in October. all of a sudden November hits and it just goes super wild, right? I think this is a common trend that newly investors, right? People like investors are riding the wave, are just riding the wave, riding the wave. There's been more investors in Palantir and Neo and any other there has been more investors this year than any other year, which is I think the reason why there is a huge upside to Palantir. I don't think the price should be around I think the price for Palantir is pretty fair right now, 25. This if you don't buy Palantir right now, you're making a big mistake. Like right now, oof, I sold 100 shares of Palantir. This morning, or yeah, I sold 100 shares of Palantir. I sold 100 shares. I sold 100 shares of Palantir this morning. I didn't buy at the dip just because I already have a pretty good. I have 300 shares already for Palantir. I don't want to buy the dip. I'm a long-term holder for this. Maybe in January. January I'll probably buy something because I know it's gonna dip again. Um, it's gonna have another dip probably around January because of the sell-off of like insiders. Employees are gonna start trading off their stocks, right? So this is gonna be my technical analysis. It's been pretty accurate, not gonna lie. Like I said, in a different stock that I had, right? YQ. This has been my and YQ. This is my support. This is my resistance. It's been pretty accurate. This is in case this it looks like it's sinking, right? Neo, support, resistance, pretty accurate. So, pretty accurate. Now, my predictions might not be that accurate. I could be right. I could be wrong. I'm like 70%. But when it comes to making these support and resistance, and like I have these videos to make support and resistance for you guys. Support and resistance. The price forecasting is my personal opinion, what I wish it would go to, and what I kind of see it happening. So like, don't take anything to heart. Like this is just my speculation, my point of view. But I do base off of my support and resistance off of historic events, of like historic candlesticks. Candlesticks play a huge part in the stock market, not just patterns of candlesticks, but candlesticks themselves, which is why I have this first initial dark cloud cover. This should have been the first indication of a downtrend, right? On the 23rd. First indication of a downtrend. This is going to be the confirmation, right? Where's another one? Small downtrend or a huge downtrend, but I should have made a video. But anyways, if you guys like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you guys want to subscribe. If you guys don't want to subscribe, then don't subscribe. But anyways, I'll see you guys later.